Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the TAGVIT 3/8 inches drive click torque wrench. Woo! With a good nice range from 10.8 up to 65.1 newton meters. These are 6 pound up to 46. That's really cool because this device is awesome for spark plugs, for example, for extensions bars, usings, and for bicycles, motorcycles, maintenance work, and of course your motorcycle. Of course, it will matches all your needs with the maintenance jobs. Yeah, there's a torque wrench set with magnetic spark plug sockets, extension bar, and universal joint for everything you will need from 5 up to 60 newton meters, or these are 6 up to 46 pound. Okay, the accuracy, the torque range of the industrial grade torque wrench is 6 up to 46 feet or pound, 10.8 up to 65.1 in newton meters. And each torque wrench has been fully calibrated and tested according to the DIN. This is the Deutsche Industrienorm ISO 6789 and ISO 6789 too. That means you can be proved that here is a high accuracy plus minus 3%. And it has separate calibrated certificate included. Using a torque wrench helps to extend the life of the components and prevent the damage due to over tightening. The professional 3/8 inches drive torque wrench is made of wear-resistant rust-proof chrome vanadium steel, which is comfortable to hold, non-slip and anti-corrosion. Newton-meter and feet LB dual scales adopt laser technology, which are clear and easy to read. That's awesome. And it is suitable for the most used occasions. When the adjustable torque wrench set reaches the present torque value, the torque wrench will make the click sound, which we can hear and feel. Remind us to stop applying the force to prevent excessive torque from damaging our items. When not in use, of course, we should adjust the wrench to the minimum torque value to extend the service life of this torque wrench. But this matches for all torque wrenches out there. And the paddles on the head of the torque wrench kit can be used at any time to adjust the direction of use, right and left movement. It can be used easily and switched easily, though that the wrench can be used in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions to meet our different operation needs. Widely used in the car spark plug replacement, of course, bicycle and motorcycle maintenance, equipment installation, electric engineering, product assembling, etc., etc. It's a big range to use that torque wrench here in our workshops, for example. The package contains a 1/3/8 inches high precision torque wrench, of course, one 25 centimeter extension bar, one universal joint, and one 14 millimeter spark plug socket, and one 16 millimeter spark plug socket. And these spark plug sockets are with magnetic force. And this is awesome because this holds our spark plugs into position. This is awesome, and of course it's possible to add this to your standard tool set, and then you can use it with a big range of tools. Okay, because the 3/8 inches drive is a standard value. Of course, you can make an extension to 1/2, for example, or you use your own socket with it. But this torque wrench, this is really important. A torque wrench is a measuring tool, so you have to use that torque wrench as only control unit. This is really important. You cannot use it like another tool. Do not remove screws with it. Do not um, tighten all screws with that. Only use it as measuring tool, okay? And it's easy to adjust the measuring Newton meter, for example, or the pound. You have to, there's a black grip on the bottom side, and there is a silver part on it, which you can slide a little bit. And if you slide this against the spring, you can rotate the torque wrench grip, and then you can adjust it easily. And if you release your fingers or your hand from this silver part, it is locked in that position. Then the torque wrench is ready for measuring. Okay, this is the really awesome thing, and it's really easy to use and really easy to adjust, as you can see. And of course, if you can hear, click means stop. You can hear it and you can feel it. We have a non-slip handle, 45 tooth ratchet head. A click means stop, okay? A flexible adjustment of left and right rotation direction, and you can use it where you like. Bicycle maintenance, motorcycle repair, spark plug replacement, of course, mechanical work, everything is possible in the range from 6 up to 46 feet-pound. This is the TAGVIT 3/8 inches drive click torque wrench set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.